Welcome back to another new tutorial on how to create gift card in WooCommerce with ShopBuilder plugin. First, let's take a look at what elements are usually found on the product details page. These include things like the pricing section where a customer can choose their gift amount. Let's get started. Go to the plugins. We need to install and activate the ShopBuilder free and pro version plugin for this special feature. Now go to the ShopBuilder settings, modules, and find gift card. Turn on this switch to enable this option and then get some stable settings like publish gift card of their order status as processing or completed, and then pricing section title like choose gift amount. Then card number pattern. It will be necessary to choose the pattern of your new gift cards, and if you set this number pattern, your card will have a code. You can also write and set a gift card validity message. Then click on Save Changes. Then go to the product. To add new product, provide a title like gift card and write a description of your product. Choose the category of your product data like gift card and then enable the virtual option. Do not forget to provide the gift card amount and then click on add for the further amount to choose. Thus you can add and set your gift card amounts for your multi-gift card amounts and then set the validity days. Now let's move for the product image. You can set this product image according to your choice. Then write a short description of your product. Now click on Publish to save it. Let's visit the site, how its appearance looks like. Here it is. This is the gift card description. And these are the multi-gift amount where you can choose your required one. Now let's back to the settings again, and here you can further change your pricing section title if you want, like select gift amount. Now save it and let's go to visit the site again. Here is the difference. But if you further think you want to change your validity days, again, let's back to the product to edit your validity period. You can set it up as per your preference. Now save your days and let's go to the product details page to see the difference. Here it is. Customers will be able to select any one option from this multi-gift amount selection. If you want, you can skip this delivery information at this moment. Alternatively, if someone wants, they can also provide the information. After providing information, click on Add to Cart and then View Cart. This is the appearance of it. Now go to the Proceed to Checkout and click on it. This is the interface of checkout page. Here, billing details must be required. Click on Place Order and this is the order details named Order Invoice. Now let's take a look at what kind of email the gift card receiver will receive as confirmation. What you see on the screen here is a demo email shown for the reference, where details like current balance, card number, validity days, etc. will be included. Now let's back to the order details and then go to the My Account. From here, click on Gift Cards. You can see your card code number, amount, your remaining balance, as well as expiry date and the action also. Now let's back to the dashboard. Click on WooCommerce and then gift cards. From here you can see your code number of your card, then your total balance, your recipient's email, and etc. To visit the details, let's go to the page, and from here we will show you how to buy the product with the gift card. Click on your desired products, then add it to the cart. Then click on View Cart. In the cart total section, apply your gift card number. So collect this code number from your cart and then copy it and paste your copied code number. Click on Apply. Here you can see now your gift card successfully applied, whose amount was $300. Now finally you can place your order. And this is the ultimate order details of your product. When you will complete your purchasing process, a purchase confirmation email will be sent instantly. Here it is, with the purchase history. Here it is. Now we will customize the email template. Firstly, go to the WooCommerce settings and then emails. You can see ShopBuilder gift card expiration email, and the user's notification. Firstly, click on ShopBuilder gift card, and from here you can set your subject, email heading, and also set the text to appear in the main email body. And these are the appearance of desktop and mobile, and this is the appearance of your mail. Lastly, click on Save the changes. After that, again go to the settings, email. Now let's click on gift card users notification. Click on this option to enable the email notification. Similar customization will be applicable for this. Then write the text to appear in the main email body. And this is the appearance of the notification email. And finally, click on Save Changes. Thank you for watching this video.